And some breaking updates coming in top of this hour. A person in California has become the first person in the US to have tested positive for the Omicron variant. Now remember, this comes after, in fact, just last month when US imposed travel restrictions from South African nations. So that is the latest that is coming in right now. A person has tested positive for Omicron in California. And of course, this comes after the US health officials just a few days ago said that COVID booster shots can be taken by all those who've been administered 2 doses of COVID-19 vaccine, as well as those above the age of 18. And my colleague Shaurya is joining us from the Mumbai newsroom. Shaurya, good morning to you. Now, of course, this is a matter of grave concern. A person in US, California to be precise, has tested positive for the new variant. What are the measures that the US is likely to take now, or what it has announced owing to this case of variant that has now emerged?
Absolutely. So there are 2 particular matters of grave concern that you pointed out. One is about the Omicron variant, where the first case has been detected in California. This CDC confirmed. Now, this is coming from a returnee who was coming from South Africa, who was fully vaccinated against the virus, but he's completely not recovered yet. He's improving. On the second part about the vaccination, because US is also struggling with vaccine hesitancy in certain areas, and the measures to step up the vaccination process has been taken into place. Now, Joe Biden has not clearly mentioned about a travel ban, which is a complete blanket ban on other countries, but they are mulling on certain options as to how to mitigate this particular strain and its spread across the world, and particularly in the US, as the first case has come. Now, WHO has also confirmed that at least 23 nations have been plagued by this particular strain, and it's bound to increase or spread across the other nations, but it's a matter of grave concern to first step up the vaccination and then take immediate calls for action to mitigate this particular strain. Back to the studio.
Well, thanks for all those updates, Shaurya. So those are the latest details that we are getting right now. Of course, we'll be covering through the day all the updates as far as the cases of Omicron variant is concerned.